Have you ever imagined enjoying fresh air without a single mosquito ruining your peace? What if your outdoor space could feel like a luxury escape, yet still be completely bug-free? And what if you could build that dream porch without spending a fortune? Today, we're diving into screened porch ideas that transform your outdoor living, whether your style is modern, rustic, or budget-friendly. What makes a screened porch feel modern and luxurious? Do you think screened porches are always simple and basic? Modern designs completely change that perception. Clean lines, neutral tones, and sleek furniture elevate the look instantly. Floor-to-ceiling screens make the space feel open and airy. Adding minimal decor keeps everything elegant and uncluttered. Soft lighting can turn your porch into a relaxing evening retreat. It's not just a porch anymore, it becomes a lifestyle upgrade. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer modern or cozy outdoor spaces? Why does your outdoor space feel uncomfortable despite having a porch? Have you noticed how your porch looks beautiful, but you rarely sit there? The main reason is often bugs, dust, and lack of privacy. Even a small mosquito can ruin a peaceful evening instantly. And during summer, it feels impossible to relax outside. But what if you could fix all of this without major renovation? A screened porch creates a protective barrier while keeping fresh air flowing. It's the perfect balance between indoor comfort and outdoor beauty. If you love transforming spaces into something more comfortable, don't forget to like and share this idea with someone who needs it. How can you create a cozy rustic screened porch at home? Do you love warm, earthy, and natural vibes? Rustic screened porches bring comfort and charm together. Think wooden beams, textured furniture, and soft cushions. Natural colors like brown, beige, and green make it soothing. Adding plants makes the space feel alive and refreshing. Even simple lantern lights can create a magical atmosphere. It's like bringing countryside peace right into your home. Subscribe for more cozy and creative home ideas that make your space feel truly yours. Can you build a beautiful screened porch on a low budget? Do you believe creating a stylish porch always requires a big budget? The truth is, you can design something stunning even with limited money. Using affordable materials like simple mesh screens can save costs. Repurposing old furniture adds character without extra spending. DIY decor items can give your porch a personal touch. Even small changes can make a big difference visually. It's all about creativity, not just money. If you enjoy budget-friendly ideas, give this a like and share it with someone who loves smart savings. What features make a screened porch truly functional? Have you ever created a space that looks good but isn't practical? A great porch must be both beautiful and useful. Comfortable seating is the first essential element. Proper ventilation keeps the space cool and fresh. Weather-resistant materials ensure durability. Adding curtains or shades gives privacy when needed. It's all about designing for real everyday living. Comment below. What's one feature you can't live without in your dream porch? How can lighting transform your screened porch experience? Do you think lighting is just a small detail? In reality, it changes everything about your space. Soft, warm lights create a calm and relaxing vibe. String lights add a dreamy and aesthetic look. Lanterns can bring a rustic charm instantly. Good lighting also makes your porch usable at night. It turns your space into a peaceful escape after a long day. Subscribe for more simple ideas that completely transform your home experience. What small details can make your porch feel like a luxury retreat? Do you know that small touches create the biggest impact? Adding cushions and throws makes seating more inviting. A small coffee table can make the space more functional. Indoor-outdoor rugs add warmth and style. Plants bring freshness and natural beauty. Even a fan can improve comfort during hot days. These details turn a simple porch into a relaxing sanctuary. Like and share if you love cozy spaces. And comment your favorite idea from this video. How can you make your screened porch usable in every season? Do you think a porch is only useful in summer? What if you could enjoy it all year round? Adding outdoor heaters can keep the space warm in winter. Ceiling fans help maintain comfort during hot days. Using weatherproof curtains can block cold winds. Layering rugs and blankets adds extra coziness. With the right setup, your porch becomes a 365-day retreat. Subscribe for more smart home ideas and comment below. Would you use your porch all year round? So, remember when we asked, what if you could enjoy fresh air without bugs and still feel comfortable? Now you know the answer. A screened porch is not just about protection. It's about creating a space where you can relax, breathe, and truly enjoy your home. Whether you prefer modern elegance, rustic charm, or budget-friendly creativity, there's a perfect idea waiting for you. All it takes is the right design and a little inspiration. If you enjoy ideas that make your home more beautiful, comfortable, and practical, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to stay inspired every day.